from 2 a.m. calls. Zero communication. Yeah, we spent too long in heaven. Yeah, we felt the elevation. Feels kind of different and we're not the same. Cause anything's have to change. I got no trouble with my pride. Got trouble cutting tight.
Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Jenny. If you are new, please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and follow your girl on all social media. So today we will be reviewing this rosé that honestly I only bought it because of the bottle. Like, this bottle is so pretty. Like, I'll insert some little like aesthetic pictures I took of it, like next to the plant. It's just the bottle is doing what the bottle needed to do. So let's get into this video. Make sure you guys grab yourself a glass of wine, whether it be white, red, rosé, whiskey, tequila, coffee, or tea, depending on the time that you're watching this, and let's get into it. So this bottle is called the Born Rosé Barcelona. So clearly, if you guys don't know where Barcelona is in Spain. So this is a Spanish rosé. So on top of the fact that the bottle is just like cutely yet so simply decorated, it has one of those cute little crystal glasses, which I'm struggling with right now, but we got it. It's really, really cute. There are little initials on it that say B and R. But yes, this bottle, really, really pretty. It's doing what it needs to do. Very aesthetically pleasing. So this one is a 12%er. It's on the low end of what I would normally ever drink, but as I said, the bottle got me. That's all that got me. It already smells so whimsical. Like, I feel like it's light and airy and fresh, and that's what you want from like a really good rosé. Like, it smells like a great time out in the park, picnic with your girls, having a little first date, second date. It just smells like outside. Like, I need to be outside drinking this. So let's swirl it, let's sniff it, and let's go. Definitely a crispy apple smell. Okay. There's some pear and like some type of citrus and something green on the tongue. Like, I can't put my finger on it. I want to say it's kiwi, but I'm not sure. This is a really good glass of wine. I paid $19.99 plus tax. I think it's like $21.76 or something for this bottle, and I'm not upset about it because y'all know I try and keep my wines 15 to 20, like that's like my range. Honestly, 10 to 20. Like, a good $13 bottle and I are besties, but I'll splurge on a good bottle. So though this one took me out of that bracket just because of tax, I'm not upset about it. Like, it's really good. So let me cork this bottle, and then let's go into Vivino and see what Vivino has to say about it. So according to Vivino, this is an 80% match for me, which I'm loving. And the average price is actually $26.49, so I actually got away with this one. So me paying $20 for it is actually really, really good. Our taste characteristics vary from tropical, pineapple, mango, citrus, grapefruit, lemon, strawberry, watermelon. Maybe the watermelon was what I was tasting. Let's see. Raspberry, peach, melon. No, it was melon. Melon's what I was tasting, not kiwi. So melon, apple, dill, butter, ginger, and salt. I don't taste any form of ginger and salt, so I don't know what that person was eating before they tasted this one and reviewed it, but I didn't get those same notes on my palate. It is a part of the top 6% of wines in the world. It is also the top 6% of wines in Catalonia, which I'm gonna assume is someplace in Spain. It has a lot of food pairings. It can be beef, lamb, pork, and gamey meats, which would be like deer and venison, and then spicy food. I can picture this with lamb chops, like spicy lamb chops. So I'm here for it. So guys, as summer is quickly approaching, although I don't believe that there's a specific type of wine per season, I kind of do sometimes fall into the habit of drinking rosés when it's like spring and summery time. I'm still gonna have my red wine, like, don't get me wrong. I'm gonna have my red wine. It has to be dry, which, forgot to say, extremely dry, no sweetness, just like I like it. It is just fruity and crisp. So yeah. So guys, now that we've made it to the end of this video, I hope you guys enjoyed. Please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Follow me on all social media. Let me know down below if you guys have tried this before. Are you guys a sucker for like good advertising and creativity on a bottle? Does that get you to buy it the same way that I do? Because I'm a sucker for a nice, simple bottle. But before we go, if you are new here, sorry to tell you, whatever you poured earlier, you're about to chug it, because we don't leave any wine down Wednesday with alcohol in our glass. So on your marks, get set, chug. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!